While we all are consumed about Venezuela, Thailand, Cambodia, Nigeria में यूएस के बॉम्बिंग्स, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डेवलपमेंट जो हो रहा है हम मिस कर रहे हैं इज द डेवलपमेंट्स इन द गल्फ ऑफ एडन एंड द हॉर्न ऑफ अफ्रीका. अब अफ्रीका का मैप देखें, ये हॉर्न ऑफ अफ्रीका इज लाइक अ प्रोजेक्शन. जैसे गाय या के सींग होते हैं, वैसे इसको हॉर्न के जैसा है, हॉर्न ऑफ अफ्रीका बोलते हैं. से राइनोसरस का हॉर्न होता है. ये हॉर्न में वी हैव गॉट 5 कंट्रीज. We have got Eritrea, we have got Ethiopia, we have got Djibouti, we have got Somalia, and now a contested region coming up is the Somaliland. So this makes up the Horn of Africa. ये Horn of Africa बहुत strategically important है because यहीं से आप access करते हैं Red Sea को. You have the Gulf of Aden, a very narrow passage called as the Bab el Mandab, which is also called as the Gate of Tears. उसके बाद में Red Sea है. और नॉर्थ में रेड सी के 2 आर्म है. वन इज ऑन द वेस्टर्न साइड कॉल्ड एज द गल्फ ऑफ सुएज, जहाँ से सुएज कनाल बन के इट लिंक्स टू द मेडिटेरेनियन सी. ऑन द ईस्टर्न साइड वी हैव द गल्फ ऑफ अकाबा. एकदम नॉर्थ में पोर्ट कॉल्ड अकाबा है. एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव द पोर्ट ऑफ ऐलात, EILAT ऑफ इसराइल. और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन रहा है फॉर लॉट ऑफ कन्फ्लिक्ट्स ऑफ इसराइल विद द अरब नेशंस अराउंड इट. So ये जो Horn of Africa है, it's the inlet towards the Red Sea. Anybody controlling Horn of Africa, anybody influencing Horn of Africa can influence the entire trade regions and the movement of ships, and even the geopolitical advantage of the region can be had if the Horn of Africa is in control. इस Horn of Africa में historically the country Djibouti है, वो बहुत advantageous रहा है. Djibouti is a very, very small country. It has used its territorial advantage location, and it has rented its land to US, to Russia, to China, to France, to Japan, and it earns big time just by renting the land for the naval bases and the ports for these countries. In fact, Djibouti को बोलते हैं ये world's landlord है, because it gives its land on rent and others are making the bases. Recently, China ने Djibouti में एक massive base बनाया है, naval base, capable of accommodating 2 large aircraft carriers. तो इस Horn of Africa का जो important strategic रहा है, it is largely about how this land can be used as a part of engaging the Red Sea geopolitics and the trade of the Red Sea. Now, इसी context में you also have the issues of Ethiopia. Ethiopia was once including Eritrea. 1993 में ये नदर्न पार्ट इरिटेरिया अस्मारा है, ये अलग हो गया इथियोपिया से. सो नाउ इथियोपिया इज अ लैंड लॉक्ड कंट्री. इनफैक्ट ये सेकेंड मोस्ट पॉपुलस कंट्री ऑफ अफ्रीका है और वर्ल्ड का द मोस्ट पॉपुलस लैंडलॉर्ड कंट्री है. और इथियोपिया को जिबूती चार्ज करता है अबाउट $1.5 billion just to use the port because Ethiopia does not have access to sea. इस geopolitics में now comes the story of Somaliland. अगर आप सोमालिया देखेंगे, सोमालिया is a independent country and before it was independent, Somalia was part of the Italian colony. ये इटली का कॉलोनी था और नदर्न पार्ट एक अलग सा टेरिटरी था. इट वाज लाइक अ ब्रिटिश कॉलोनी और अ ब्रिटिश प्रोटेक्टोरेट कॉल्ड एज सोमालीलैंड. 1960 में सोमालीलैंड गॉट इंडिपेंडेंस फ्रॉम ब्रिटेन एंड आफ्टर 3-4 days of independence it voluntarily joined Somalia and became one country. Now it's a country called as Somalia. But over the years what has happened is थोड़ा सा नॉर्थ साउथ डिवाइड रहा है, इकोनॉमिक डिस्पैरिटीज रही हैं. Somaliland has now been trying to become independent and declare itself a different nation. And interestingly, Somaliland का अपना constitution है, इनके अपने आर्मी है, they have their own economy, their own administration, they also have their own currency called as Somaliland shilling बोलते हैं. And unlike the rest of Somalia, which has a lot of problems of terrorism, एक Al-Shabaab के नाम में organization है that has been active in Somalia. In another part of Somalia, Somaliland जो है, it has been very stable democracy. यहाँ पर proper elections होते हैं and it has a very nice stable system of governance here. So Somaliland has been trying to become independent for quite some time, but it is not accepted by the UN. No country had recognized it until December 2025 में Israel became the first country to accept कि yes, Somaliland is an independent country. अब इसका reason जो political aspect क्या है? Now, Somaliland has a good, nice 300-400 mile का stretch है along the Gulf of Aden. It is very, very strategically located. यहाँ पर एक important port है called as the Berbera port. Berbera port is heavily invested in by UAE. इनका major naval base है. They have developed the dockyards, shipping yards, and it is kind of controlling that region's economy. And this region, Berbera port and the Somaliland का coast है, across just 300-400 kilometer across is Yemen. And Yemen has problems of Houthis, ये rebels हैं, fighting Israel, funded by Iran. So इस area का जो geopolitics है, it's a very important component of Israel's larger vision to become a more stable nation. So Israel deliberately, because यहाँ पर जो अटैक्स होती हैं इजरायली शिप्स पे, लिटरली ब्लॉकेड है. इजराइल इज नॉट एबल टू यूज द रेड सी बिकॉज द अटैक्स फ्रॉम द येमेन हाउती रेबल्स. तो इजराइल चाह रहा है कि somehow if it gets a base along the Gulf of Aden, if it gets some kind of naval base and a listening point in the Gulf of Aden, it can counter the designs of Iran and Yemen Houthi rebels जो है. That's why Israel has made a very calculated decision to support the independence of Somaliland, which AU is not supporting. AU डरता है कि this type of separatism can trigger a series of independence declaration across the colonies of Africa. The AU has rejected it. Somalia, of course, will reject it because it's about their sovereignty and their territorial integrity. And in general, the world has not accepted this. UN has not accepted Somaliland. But Ethiopia का interest definitely है. In fact, Ethiopia बीच में was offering that it would accept Somaliland as a different nation if it gives them some foothold along the coast and a port where they can have their own anchor for trade and their geostrategic reasons. So ये एक टाइप का एक ट्रायंगल बन रहा है इजराइल, इथियोपिया एंड यूएई के साथ में. And if you all remember, some time ago, Israel has signed an Abraham Accord with UAE as a part of accepting that Israel is an independent nation. So UAE ने accept किया है. An extension of that, Israel कह रहा है that they are trying to expand their sphere of influence by accepting Somaliland as an independent nation. तो ये जो Gulf of Aden का जो politics है, I don't think India can really be aloof from this because India के भी ambitions हैं. We have talked about in designs of India to monitor, to control, to dominate the geopolitics of Indian Ocean. जो इंडिया इमर्ज करना चाह रहा है विद इट्स ब्लू वाटर स्ट्रेटजी, ये गल्फ ऑफ एडन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एलिमेंट होगा इंडिया के लार्जर नेवल सुप्रीमेसी के लिए. एंड ऑफ कोर्स चाइना आल्सो इज वाइंग फॉर इट्स पोजीशन हियर. So keep watching the developments along the Horn of Africa and note these places. Where is Somalia? Where is Somaliland? Where is Berbera port? And for where is Djibouti, Gulf of Aden, Bab el Mandeb, or north जाकर along the coast we also have the port of Sudan. Sudan is also a very important part of these regions' geopolitics. Keep watching me for geography stories at Edukemi by Shabbir.